This portion of the video is sponsored by Rust-Oleum's Wipe New. Living around a lot of trees, I have to combat the pollen on my cars. And with a black car, it can look pretty disgusting. And that's what I found, Wipe New's Ceramic Boost Hybrid Sealant. This sealant uses the ceramic enhanced formula to produce a premium shine, extend durability, and long-lasting protection. I'm by no means a professional detailer, but the Ceramic Boost Hybrid Sealant was actually easy to use and the instructions were easy to follow. As instructed, I began in small sections and buffed it out with a microfiber towel until it was completely dry and a shiny finish was achieved. You do need to let it cure, and that can take up to 12 hours, but it can be exposed to light rain after application. Get yours today at wipenew.com or Advanced Auto Parts.
Got the body, people wanna let you.